Hello, my name is Jacob Friedman, and because my last name starts with an F, I am in support of cybervetting. So cybervetting is used in the hiring process in order to ensure employees are capable of representing a company while on and off of the clock. There's a study by Melissa Spirick, who's a professor at Wright State University, and she said companies use digital information to determine the ability of the candidate to fit their culture. The cyber vetting process allows employers to make sure employees' values are aligned with the morals at work. It's generally a good idea to just post things online you would want your 90-year-old grandmother or your 2-month-old sibling to see. There are common boundaries of what to post and what not to post. Another study by the Career Builders found that 58% of employers conduct social screenings to look for information supporting a candidate's qualifications for the job. 50% want to ensure the candidate has professional online persona, and 34% want to see what other people are posting about that candidate. Overall, I would say that cyber vetting is a good idea. I can see why people think that's an invasive part of their privacy, but I believe that companies should also see who they're dealing with off the clock and make sure that their alignments and morals are the same. So I do think that's important that they vet their employees before they hire them. Good luck to you all and have a great week.